In this video, we will go over the My Settings portal. This portal will allow you to change your extension preferences, view and change the status of your phone, set up a blacklist or a whitelist for your extension, view your personal inbound and outbound calls, the ability to manage your voicemail box, and if you would ever need to change your password for this application. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the IP address of the phone system. This would have been provided to you by your administrator or the technician who set up the phone system, but you can always reach out to Glessner and we can provide this information to you. I will be using Google Chrome, but you can use whatever browser you'd like. First, we need to go to https:// the IP address provided, :59088. Hit enter. You will get the connection is not private. This is okay. Please click on the advanced button and continue to the site. Once there, you will be prompted for a username and password. Your username will be your extension, and the password will be given to you by your system administrator. If you do not have this information, you can contact us at tcsupport@glessner.net or call us at 1-800-822-1528, and we can assist you. Once you enter your information and click Login, you will get to the home screen. We will refer to this as your desktop. You will see the My Settings icon and some colorful figures behind it. You will also have 9 buttons in the top left-hand corner that will take you to some additional settings. Click on the My Settings icon. This will take you to all the options I spoke about earlier. First, let's start with the Extension Preferences tab. This area will allow you to change a variety of items associated with your extension. You can change your name, change your email address, your mobile number associated with your extension, your personal prompts, if you need to change that. Also, it will allow you to change whether you want to enable voicemail for your extension. We recommend leaving that enabled unless told by your administrator. Besides that, you can change your voicemail access code. You can also enable whether to send voicemails to email. The next tab is Presence. You can change your status of your device by clicking under the Presence area to be available or Do Not Disturb. You can also change the call forwarding destinations. You can change the 3 settings of Always, No Answer, or When Busy. Typically, we will only ever use No Answer or When Busy, but you can change them to Send to Voicemail, a different extension, a mobile number, a call queue, a ring group, an automated attendant, a custom telephone number, or simply hang up. The next section is the blacklist whitelist. The blacklist portion is very useful these days with all the robocalls. You can take the number that has called you and add it to the blacklist section, and when that number calls into your extension, it will be rejected. In this setting, please be sure to add a 1 in front of the number or it will not work. For example, please click the Save button and then Apply at the top, and then your setting has been successful. The next section is CDR and one-touch recordings. In this area, you can see all of your inbound and outbound calls. This is helpful to look back and verify a number that called you, or if you missed writing it down, you can easily find it here. This section will only show the information regarding to your extension. Also, if you use the record feature in the phone system, this is where you will find that recording. You can play it to your PC, play it on the phone, or download it or delete it. You can search by clicking the timestamp at the top, designating a call from, the status, whether it was answered, no answer, busy, failed, or went to voicemail, or the number fuzzy search, which means if I don't know the exact number that called me, I can enter in a few digits and then hit the search button, and then it will find that. The next section is your voicemail tab. This is where all your voicemails will be. You can see which ones you haven't listened to as of yet that will have a gold star beside of it. At this point, you can play, download, or delete the voicemail without having to go through your telephone. Also, if you have multiple voicemails and you want to delete them, you can check the box to the left and then hit the delete button at the top. This will get rid of all of them at once. The last section is the password settings area. This is where you can change your password to log into this web interface. Simply input the old password, enter the new password in 2 times, and click Save. This will ask you to log out and log back in with the new password. I hope you like this tutorial on the eSIP My Settings application. If you have any questions or need further assistance on this, please reach out to us at tcsupport@glessner.net or call us at 1-800-822-1528.